Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you want to take your windows from looking drab to fab, you're going to love these shades I got from MYshade. If you've been reluctant to order blinds or shades online, let me set your mind at ease. MYshade does an amazing job of taking the measurements that you give them and making a perfectly sized blind. We got the ones that mount inside the window frame, and you can see there's just enough space for it to fit in perfectly so that there's not a lot of light coming through, but it's not too tight. MYshade customized this quickly and got it right out to us, which was so nice. We got the light filtering beige blind. As you can see, it lets in a good amount of sunlight, which is so nice because you still get privacy, but you don't have to block getting that light in the house. Installation was really easy. You simply screw the brackets into the frame of your window and then you pop the shade in. The easiest way to install the handle on the bottom of the shade is just to slide it on one of the sides and then into the middle. We also got a telescoping stick with our shade so that we can get to it from a distance, which is nice because we are reaching over plants in order to raise it and lower it. One of the other features that makes this blind really well built is that it has magnetic connections on the top. So if you do choose to put the top all the way up, it's going to click into place with those magnets, and it makes for a very seamless blind. With all the different options and colors that you can get this shade in, you're sure to find the one that is going to be perfect for your space. We think they're great, and that's our point of view.